what we do, it's all we do.
The first thing is we're experienced. Virtually all of our lawyers are 10-year qualified lawyers. We call ourselves grown-up lawyers as opposed to kids on keyboards. And if you can use an analogy of going to a doctor, would you like to see somebody who's fresh out of medical school, maybe keen but simply won't have the experience? Or do you want to see somebody who's dealt with that situation many times before? We think clients deserve somebody who is experienced and who is determined to get the best possible results for that client.
When you come to Smith Jones, you don't just get one solicitor looking after your case. You get years of experience from a team of lawyers, and that's particularly relevant when it comes to our winning mentality.
Once you make up your mind that your client is in the right, that they deserve compensation, we do have a single-minded, some may say bloody-minded determination not to give in, not to be intimidated, regardless of the size of our opponent. Very often, cases that come to us have been through 2 or 3 firms. Other firms have turned down, and we think we can win. Like as not, we do win.
If you ring our firm, you will get a specialist in personal injury litigation.
It may range from a variety of very simple things. The client may simply want the cost of their medical treatment covered and a small amount of compensation. They may need physio to get them back to work. We can arrange that for them. They may be worried about their mortgage instalments, so we can get their loss of income covered. Or in some cases, in the largest cases, we can change somebody's life for the better. They've been injured through no fault of their own. They have been put in a situation they should not have been put in. Somebody else has not complied with their legal obligations, and this person's life has been ruined. We can put them, if not back to the condition they were in a condition which is very much better than that they would have been in. And that seems to me to be a very worthwhile job, and I enjoy that enormously. The first thing we try and do is put them at their ease, because people are frightened by lawyers. They think they're going to get a wall of jargon, and they think they're going to be spoken to in gobbledygook or talked down to. We try and avoid that. We speak to people as they would like to be spoken to. We don't patronise them. We explain the process, the timescales as best we can, and we reassure them that there are no catches. When we say we will fight their corner for them, we will recover them compensation as best we can, and we will not charge them for the process. That's what we do, and we do what we say we're going to do.
I get a kick out of winning cases for people who have been injured. They don't want to be injured. They are entitled to be compensated for that injury. This isn't a windfall. They haven't won the lottery or anything like that. And we try to do everything that we can do to get them the money that they deserve. And I enjoy that. And I enjoy fighting against the big guys, and I enjoy winning.
It's what we do. It's what we've done as a firm for the last 20 years or so. We do it with a commitment and a passion and a dedication. We don't dabble in other areas of law. We don't do crime. We don't do family. We don't do conveyancing. We do personal injury work. It's what we do.
Smith Jones.